Have you ever lost in nature? If not, then once you visit this place, you may lost yourself in nature. Hello viewers, hope you have enjoyed our day 1 and day 2 videos of Banff National Park. In today's video, which is the day 3 of our Canadian Rockies Explore, we're gonna share some breathtaking places of Jasper National Park. Before going further, I like to take a moment to thank you to all my subscribers for being with us in this journey. Along with that, like to warm welcome to our new subscribers and welcome to our family. It will be really exciting to know your story. So always feel free to write in the comment section what are the places you like the most or how you have enjoyed your travel. Also, if you have any queries, write me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. No more talk, let's start explore Jasper. Our first stop of day 3 was Athabasca Falls. It was just on the other side of the Wilderness Hostel. This falls is considered the most powerful falls in Rockies. Let's enjoy it. Then we hiked at the bottom of the falls through the canyon and explored that place. Then our second stop was the Valley of the Five Lakes, Jasper. It was about 5 kilometers of loop trail through the forest. In this trail, you may encounter bear, so take necessary precautions. This trail offers magnificent view of 5 different lakes. We have enjoyed it. We have visited all 5 lakes and given a treat to our eyes. Then our third stop was Lake Annette and Lake Edith, also known as Kettle Lakes. These 2 lakes are close to each other. This one is Lake Annette. We enjoyed this awesome view. Then we went to Lake Edith. Surrounding mountains has made it absolutely picture perfect. We sat here for some time and enjoyed this gift of nature. Then our fourth stop was Maligne Canyon. It is the deepest canyon in Jasper National Park, with a depth of more than 50 meters at certain points. We explored this incredible natural landmark by crossing 6 bridges built across various points of this canyon. Then we continued our drive towards Maligne Lake. This is the drive where most of the visitors see wildlife. We also seen this moose. Then on our way to Maligne Lake, stopped at Medicine Lake and took some great pictures. Then our fourth stop was the famous Maligne Lake in Jasper. The lake is famed for the color of its azure water, the surrounding peaks, and the 3 glaciers visible from the lake. Also the Spirit Island, a frequently and very famously photographed island. We explored this place and visited Maligne Lake Chalet and Guesthouse National Historic Site. Got to know some interesting historic facts. With an awesome experience, we returned back to beautiful Jasper town surrounded by mountains and roamed around, done shopping, had our dinner. It was an amazing feeling spending time at Jasper town. Then we returned back to Athabasca Wilderness Hostel and stayed there. Hey, hope you have enjoyed our day 3 itineraries of Canadian Rockies Explore. In our next video, we're gonna show you beautiful Banff town. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others. Please subscribe to stay connected. See you soon with our day 4 itineraries. See you.